In the name of Allah, the most merciful, most graceful, my dear students in grade 5, welcome back to our syllabus in science. Open your box, please, page 78. Quickly, our lesson today is about the Earth's orbit. The Earth's orbit. مدار كوكب الأرض يا شباب. Okay? Our keywords, the first one, orbit. Repeat after me. Orbit. Orbit. بمعنى مدار. Number 2, equator. Equator. Equator or equator. You can say equator or equator. Okay? خط الاستواء. And as you may know, it's an imaginary line. خط وهمي. To divide the earth into two parts or two sections. Okay? So here he said the earth rotates on its own axis. تدور الأرض حول محورها. And as a result, we have day and night on earth. So we have day and night because the earth rotates on its what? On its axis. Very good. At the same time as it is rotating on its axis, what happens next? The earth is also moving around the sun. So as a result that the earth rotates on its axis, we have 2 points. Number 1, that we have day and night, and number 2, that the earth also moving around what? The sun. In what? In an orbit. In an orbit. في مدار حول الشمس. Very good. The earth moves in an orbit, as we said, around the sun. An orbit is, what is the definition of an orbit? What's the meaning of an orbit? It's a path that an object takes around something else. المدار أو الممر اللي بيلف فيه شيء ما حول شيء ما آخر. It takes 1 year, 365 days or 12 months for the earth to orbit the sun. 12 شهر يا شباب عشان الأرض تلف حول الشمس. As a result of this movement and the fact that the earth is tilted, what the word tilted mean? As we said, it means ملتوية. مائلة يا شباب. مائلة, tilted معناها مائلة أو منحرفة. So the earth is tilted. We have day and night and also different temperatures on the earth. Okay, so if you look here to the orbit of the earth, that the earth goes around the sun. This is the orbit, as we said. Okay, and the arrows, as you can see, it moves like this. So this is the sun, and the earth moves in this orbit around what? Around the sun. Okay, so he said here, winter in the northern hemisphere. الشتاء في نصف الكرة الشمالي. Again, say after me. Winter in the what? Northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. نصف الكرة الشمالي. So this is winter here. And here, summer in the northern hemisphere. الصيف في نصف الكرة الشمالي. Okay, and what about here? As we said, it's an orbit. He said the earth's orbit around the sun is like what? An oval, rather than like a circle. So the earth rotates around in an orbit around the sun in an oval shape. في شكل أو مدار بيضاوي يا شباب. Not a circle. ليس المدار دائري ولكن an oval بيضاوي. The shape as an egg. Okay. Here in the second page, he said describe 2 ways in which the earth moves, as we said. Study the diagram and think about the way that the earth rotates as it moves around the sun. What effect does this have on earth? As we said, we have day and night, and we have winter and all the 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, autumn. Okay, and we have day and night, as we said. The tilt, ميول of the earth, affect the hours of sunlight we get. How? In the parts of the earth that tilted away from the sun, the daytime will be shorter. Let's see again the picture. He said, when the earth is tilted more, the part that faces the sun, and we have more in the tilted part, it has a long in the daytime. The daytime is longer. But when the tilted is shorter, okay, we have the day is shorter. The daytime is shorter. That's why the day here is longer than the day here. Okay, very good. So he said again, in the parts tilted toward the sun, the daytime will be longer. So when the tilted of the earth is more, tilted toward the sun, the daytime will be longer, and when the tilted part is shorter, so the daytime will be shorter. Okay, so here, to sum up what we said today, what we have learned today, I have learned that the Earth moves in an orbit around the sun. It takes 1 year, 365 days for the Earth to complete one orbit around the sun. To complete one orbit to the Earth around the sun, we have a whole year or 1 year. Okay, now open your booklet to answer the homework of today. Page 7, sorry, the last page in our booklet. You have to answer all these sentences from 1 to 6. Okay, from 1 to 6, and from 7 to 10 it will be inshallah about the next lesson and the last lesson next time inshallah. Till we meet again, thank you very much for watching, and bye bye.